Here's what my podcast guest sounded like last week.
Now, the biggest thing that I've learned about growing as a creator is just consistency.
It was almost unwatchable, but instead of panicking and asking my guest to re-record, I just used AI to fix it. And now it sounds like this.
Now, the biggest thing that I've learned about growing as a creator is just consistency.
I'm going to show you exactly how I did this with Podcastle Magic Dust AI in just a few clicks. So I'm going to log into Podcastle and start a new project. Then I'll upload the rough recording and add it into a new layer. This one was done over Zoom, so the quality was pretty bad to begin with, and there were no fancy mics and a lot of background noise. Here's where the magic starts. Right-click the clip, select Magic Dust, and you're done. Podcastle's AI listens to your audio, removes background noise, balances levels, and makes your audio go from this.
Now, the biggest thing that I've learned about growing as a creator is just consistency.
To this.
Now, the biggest thing that I've learned about growing as a creator is just consistency.
Now, besides just the bad audio quality, there's also a ton of filler words and awkward silences in this recording. We can make this sound even more professional with just a few more clicks. And just like that, awkward silences have been removed automatically. Want to go even further? I can also use the AI voice cloning to fix flubbed lines or create more natural sounding transitions. I can even edit the audio with text like a Google Doc. Now, Podcastle is free to use, but if you want to access the AI capabilities like Magic Dust, you will need to upgrade to Podcastle Pro. You can use the code PODTUBE50 and get up to 50% off your first month of Podcastle Pro to try this out for yourself. And with your Pro subscription, you can do so much more than just rescue bad audio. Podcastle is your full podcast and video studio. You can ditch Zoom and record high-quality remote interviews with local recordings, edit audio and video with AI, add stock footage, music, GIFs, and transitions. You can also add captions to your videos and even publish and host your show all in one place. So there you go. Now you know how to fix your messy audio. If you want to see everything Podcastle can do, check out this video next to see it in action.